Okay, how is everybody doing today? Hopefully this is blah blah. How's everybody doing today? I've got a tool haul that I want to show you guys. I don't know if I'm going to put this part as my interesting tool finds part 2 or whatever, because I've got, like a series that I'm going to try and start. But so I got some tools, some of which are from Amazon, which I kind of hate. Some are from Home Depot, and yeah. So what I want to show you guys is this brand that I found. It's called Vessel, and they make some really cool, interesting screwdrivers. And I got this one and this one. This is completely metal. Just exposure. Completely metal here. So I'm gonna take this out of the package and show you guys. So this is kind of like a screwdriver set or series that I've had before. And so this I got at Walmart. This is a Hyper Tough brand, and it has these long attachments that you can remove, swap them out. So like one side has Phillips, the other has flathead, and then there's a little bit of Torx on there and Allen sizes, but it's just kind of random what they give you. But the problem with these is this is not a standard hex head size. This is it's a little bit smaller, I believe. So a normal hex can't fit inside of this, and it's well and dandy if this is just what you're gonna use. But because I used to have a brand of this kind of set called Anvil, and Anvil is just a cheap brand that you get at Home Depot. And I don't know if it's actually a house brand or not, I'm not sure. But I had an Anvil one of these kind of screwdrivers, and I absolutely loved it. It just had that smaller size insert that you couldn't put a regular quarter hex head in. Now, the cool thing about this is that this does accept hex heads. You can put in, just about anything, that comes with their impact screwdriver or whatever. But it does come with a couple magnetic Phillips and flathead sets, and this is a really good. It's got a nice, to me, I feel like it's got a nice grip on it. And then there's a flathead, and then there's actually, what are they called? It's so it's one of them is the PZ2, PZ3, and then it's got your standard flathead, and then a regular Phillips number 2 size, and then a smaller Phillips number 1, and a regular Phillips number 3. The PZ has that, what was it called? I completely forgot. It's the pause or something. My mind's drawing a blank on that. But, so yeah, I thought that was really cool. This is going to be kind of in my home bag that I'm going to carry. It's going to kind of replace this one, so that maybe I'll take this to work. I'm not sure. And then there's this metal one, which they've got. If you look on Amazon and type in Vessel screwdriver, there's quite a few. They have a lot of stuff out there. Man, this thing is some really hard plastic to open. Jeez. Let me get my screwdriver. Or my knife. Good Lord, that's some tough stuff. My gosh. I don't know what that is. It's like some sort of reinforced plastic. But yeah, got this guy. It's the this one is full metal from tip to end, so you can use it to hammer if you do that at all. So yeah, this one, I just think it looks really cool, and it's got that same round grip on it, which I really like. So yeah, this is going to be part of my everyday, or my home bag system, which I'm going to do a separate video. So I've got this other Klein bag that I'm taking this one to work, and then I have a Hyper Tough open top which I'm going to do kind of like a little loadout video and showing you guys what I keep inside of it. So yeah, let me set this off to the side. And then I got a Torx bit set on Amazon. This is hardened, and the reason why I needed this specific brand is because it has a T45 size and a T50, which I need these two for some projects that I'm working on. And yeah, let me go ahead and unbox this thing, or unpackage, however you want to say it. Don't use a knife at home, kids. I don't know why I said it like that. Man, these packages are really hard to open in here. Maybe it's just because it's a little colder outside. So yeah, I've got this guy, which it looks, oh, that's cool. I've never seen a set that kind of flips out of the way like that. So yeah, it's got a, you know, like I said, T50, T45 adapter. Yeah, that's pretty neat. They feel, you know, they feel pretty, oh wow. They felt, you know, pretty stout. I know I'm just kind of rambling on. So yeah, there's that. Let me set this off to the side. And then I've got a couple of other things. It's not quite that interesting, but a 15/16 socket, because most socket sets don't come with this size, which I need. This massive Husky carabiner. And then I got this for work. This is a Klein Tools. It's just a hard style case, which I'm actually going to be using for some sockets, because when you're talking about something that goes in a tool bag, there is not something that is portable, small, that takes a really good, what am I trying to say? There's not something that organizes sockets in a very compact way, and it's actually kind of frustrating, because I know they have those long adapters where it's like magnetic, or they have the twist lock. Both of those I've tried, and the sockets still fall out of them no matter what. So I'm gonna show you guys. I've got, well, so this is what I use for home, which I'm gonna be changing this up a little bit too. So I've got my Crescent X6 through ratchet, and this isn't, I'm not using this for work. At least the ratchets anyway. The case I am, but I'm just trying to demonstrate. You know, I want to put, you know, a couple of sockets in there so that it's nice and, you know, compact, because I figured if I have it in something like this that I can open up, flip out, and see, I can actually see my sockets, as opposed to there's a bag down there that I can't, you know, I gotta, you guys know what I mean. So, yeah, I've got that, and then I think that's pretty much for the tool haul. I'm going to be doing a separate video on my bag that I'm taking to work, and, where's the time? That's it. That's all I got.